here we have the 3.5 channel infrared Flywolf, it says here, but actually it's model number, I think it's on this side right here. Model number S850. Go Stock is the name of the brand, except here it says it was manufactured by the Subotech Toy Company. So let's see everything that comes in the box here. We will start off with the instruction manual right here, and then here is our pack of spare parts. We get one set of spare blades, we get a spare tail rotor, two of the flybar links that link the flybar with the top propeller, and then also a USB charger. Here is the remote. As you can see, here are the infrared transmitters. On and off switch is right here. And then this is your channel selector for A, B, and C. Here we have our rotation trim, non-altitude hold, and takes 6 AA batteries. Here we have the helicopter. Pretty cool looking helicopter. Now there is no propeller or anything in there. It's just hollow. Here is the tail rotor for your forward and backward motion. It is an all plastic body. I don't want to take it apart, but I don't think there is a metal frame inside there. But your landing gear is actually these, they look like wheels, but that is your landing gear. There you have your infrared receiver. Charging port is right there, and then your on and off switch. And when you have it on, you have one blue LED light in the front. So that is a quick rundown of everything that comes in the box. So yeah, let's go fly this thing. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go with this Go Stock Flywolf here. So we are going to turn the helicopter on, turn the controller on, up, down, and now we have a bind. So here we go. Oh, it lifts off pretty nice. First thing I like to do is check out the stability of it. Seems pretty stable. It's not like wobbling around or anything. So being 3.5 channels, it does have forward, backwards, and for some reason these always seem to be going faster backwards than they do forward. And then there is your right yaw and your left yaw, and that's pretty much it with these 3.5 channel helicopters. They're very limited, especially being infrared, and you're stuck indoors. Sometimes I fly these infrared ones just after sunset, so it's not too likely that the sunlight or anything would interfere with the infrared. So it does hover pretty nice, as you can see right there. It does have a little bit of a spin to it. So there you can adjust the trim. You have your left and right trim adjust. You see it moving there. Still have to adjust it a little more. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh gosh, we crashed. Wasn't paying attention to my flying, and I was more focused on adjusting the trim. But I think we have the trim adjusted pretty nice now. Look at that, just like that,
it died. This is another pretty good flyer.
I have one more helicopter coming up for this month, and it is right here. It is the JJRC JX01. Watch for this video, but that's it. You saw the next RC coming on the channel. You saw what this can do, and if you didn't get yourself subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and click this button right over here. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.